Well, this week, the big economic numbers was about housing and durable goods. The new home construction and existing home sales, new home sales and existing home sales reports were not very good. And it's like the second or third month in a row, they haven't been very good. So they peaked 2 or 3 months ago and been falling off. I think you can pretty much blame the confusion of the stimulus for selling homes, because what's happening is we don't know what the foreclosure rate's going to be. We don't know how many of the existing houses out there are actually in the process of foreclosing. It's confusing the whole picture, and it's making it difficult for new construction and sales to figure out where they're going. I think foreclosure rates are going to go higher, and we're going to have more supply. Therefore, it's going to be tough. Also this week, interest rates went up. Our national debt has been getting to a point where now investors in our treasuries are wanting higher yields. We saw that this week in the treasury auction, 2- and 5-year treasury auction. The interest rate yield spiked up. I think that's going to continue. Interest rates are going to rise. That's not going to help the housing market. Think about it, because if interest rates rise, so will mortgage rates. How's that going to help the housing market? Now, it's not all doom and gloom. We had the durable goods report this week, which was up 0.5%. And at first blush, you would say that's not a very good number. But if you take out airplanes and defense spending, which is very volatile on a month-to-month basis, durable goods was up 1.1% from the month before. That's a hint that manufacturers, those corporations, are spending money. And that will help us greatly. Remember, our economy is two-thirds the consumer, but that other third is manufacturing. And they have $1 trillion sitting on their balance sheet. That money is going to get spent. It could be spent with merger and acquisitions. It could be spent by stock buybacks. And also it could be spent by buying and upgrading equipment. One of the reasons why I think tech is a good bet this year. So we'll see. I think it's you need to be in the market. I think we're heading for the next correction, and I think it's only going to be a correction. And so it might not be a bad idea to take a little profits at this point.
The Invest Talk Update is a monthly briefing that gives you a snapshot of the past month's market, along with other useful perspective and information. You'll see important articles like Protecting Your Investments Against Scam Artists, excerpts from Steve's book, links to the month's Invest Talk talking points, plus news of upcoming Invest Talk events in your area. And it comes free each month to your email box. To get your subscription, just go to investtalk.com and click on the icon at the top of the page.